Guys, welcome back to Container Crops, the Scaredy Cat Gardener. Oh my goodness, my channel is pretty much all about gardening, but not today. You saw the thumbnail, you read the title. Looky here, looky here. Oh my goodness, guys. This is my one, my only finished crochet project. I got a little swatches here and little swatches there, and I do mean swatches. I'm going to show those to you all. But this here, take a look. Don't you wish you had one? Yes, I made the pom-pom too. I put it all together. Look at my heavy rim. I don't even know what you call it, guys. Oh my goodness. And this is the yarn that I use. First of all, let me say that I'm going to make this video a tribute to Melanie Ham. May she rest in peace, because this pattern I got from her beginner hats, because it said you didn't need to count. And oh my goodness, I frogged this, and I think I'm using the right term, but for all you crocheters out there, correct me in the comments. But I frogged it. In other words, I took this thing apart at least 50 times before it became this hat. I started this project in either the end of October or November of 2021. I picked it up, I put it down, and tossed it to the side. I got frustrated, but I had a wonderful teacher. And that teacher is Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor. Oh my goodness, she is absolutely amazing. Patient. I called her many a nights, late at night, early in the morning. What do you do? How do you do? What is this? What do you do? When I first said I wanted to crochet, she gifted me with this yarn. This is all I have left, which this is Red Heart Super Saver medium weight 4. It's acrylic, and you're supposed to use a 5.5 millimeter 1-9. I don't know what that means, but that's the hook size. I ended up using a 5 millimeter hook. When she gifted me this yarn, when I said I wanted to crochet, she gifted me all these hooks. And my 5 millimeter is laying somewhere around because I've been using it. Yes. So that was amazing. Thank you so much, Ola Joe. This has been a very project. So in a short moment here, I'm going to show you just a few clips of the mishaps I had, the trials and errors I went through to get this hat done. But before we do that, if you are new to the channel, welcome. Take a second and subscribe and turn on that notification bell so you'll always get my videos every time I upload them. And then everybody, please hang around to the end, because in the end, I have a mail call. Yes, and I think you're going to want to see what's in here. Okay? So let me show you those clips before I have a little story to tell you about Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor, and how I got this hat made. So these little swatches were me practicing when I first got the yarn. So this part right here was after I frogged it, took it apart multiple times. As you can see, the stitching is different down here. This was the original pattern stitch, which I can't remember exactly what it was, but it was supposed to be even. This is kind of a triangle. I was having difficulty with that stitch because, as you can see, it's wider and wider, then it thins out. So I just stopped. And I said, you know what? I actually should have taken it apart all the way, but I didn't. I just said, I'm going to leave it like that. You can see the imperfections in the middle where I missed a stitch here, and you can see the rough edges and everything swooping down. But I thought, okay, keep it moving. You can see it's fatter on that end. And in the end, it's supposed to be folded over and stitched together, then stitched at the top. And so you can see this side looks a little better. So I guess this is considered the right side. I'm having a really hard time figuring out right side from wrong side, but you can see all the imperfections and things at the bottom half more than you can at the top half. So at the end of the day, then we're going to be folding it over. It's supposed to be about 21 inches long and about 15 inches wide, but as you can see, these two ends don't necessarily meet, but we'll be folding it that way, and then we'll fold up the brim, the band, and stitch it up there at the top. Okay. So this is the hat. Now I have it stitched together. This is the bottom half. We're going to turn that up for our band, and you can see where I stitched it together at the top, closed up the hole. That's where the pom-pom is going to do. I got to make the pom-pom next. And yeah, not bad so far. It's the right size at least. And this is it with the part that the band is turned up on. So, okay. Okay, so those were just a few little bloopers that I had along the way. But what really got me off my derriere and got this hat made was Ola Joe the Crocheting Sailor. One day we were just chatting through text, and she asked me, are you ready for your next project? Are you ready to crochet something else? And I said, and this was just last month, January. Beginning of January, I believe it was. I said, oh, I can't do that yet. I have to finish my hat. Oh my God, the sailor came out in her, and this was on text, but I was able to pick up the tone of that text. I might as well have been on a ship and was supposed to mop the deck or something and didn't do what I was supposed to do. Ola Joe, sweet Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor said, what? She said, you should have been through with that hat. She told me, I don't care if you didn't even crochet every day. You should have been through with that hat. I was like, oh, I'm in trouble with the teacher now. But you know what? It kicked me in gear. I said, I can't have Ola Joe fussing at me. Not Ola Joe. I got to get this hat done. Trust me, in a matter of about a week and a half, this hat was done. Okay? So thank you, Ola Joe, the crocheting sailor. Anybody that wants to know anything about crocheting, please, if Ola Joe can't tell you, she'll tell you where to go to find out. Okay, guys, let's go ahead. I don't want this to be a long video. Let's get over here to my desk so we can open up our Happy Mail. Okay, guys, so this is Happy Mail from Garden State Gardener Joe. If you don't know who Garden State Gardener is, you need to get over there. He has Sunday Fun Day all the time, and I won this at one of his Sunday Fun Day lives recently. So I thought I would save it for this video and open it up. If I can open it up. Y'all know I like to tease y'all with opening up packages, but that's not what I'm trying to do right now. I'm really trying to get in this box. Oh, suki now. Yes. Ooh, 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 ooh. I don't want to sit this on top of my computer. My computer's in the way. Thank you, Joe. Look, y'all. Look, y'all. Look, y'all. Look, y'all. This is a Karen Big Donut. Look at that. And it's such a pretty lavender color. Ooh, I got some more yarn. Sit that right there because there's something else in here. Oh my goodness. Yes. Look at this. Ooh, 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 ooh. Hey. Oh, Sukina. Hey. Yes. Look at this, guys. I have 2 of these. It says, let's see. It says Karen Big Donut, tangle free, quick start. We need quick start. Yes. Oh my goodness. Let's see. It's 100% acrylic. Let's see, 9.9 ounces, 280 grams. Y'all know I don't know what I'm doing when I'm reading this. 502 yards. I know that. Yes. 502 yards. And machine washable. And let me see here. 5mm hook. Woo, I'm learning how to read this stuff. Yes. Medium weight 4. And I think that's all. Yes. So Garden State Gardener Joan, thank you so much. I am a happy camper. Now what do I get to make? All a Joe. Thank you all so much for coming and hanging out with me today. I am so happy about my new creation. Yes. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share the video. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.